Now we'll take one example of knapsack problem and solve it. For example, let m equal to 40 and n equal to 3, which means that the capacity of knapsack is 40 and there are 3 objects which you want to insert into that knapsack, and the weight of the objects be 20, 25 and 10, and the profit of the corresponding objects be 30, 40 and 35. Assume that an entire object has to be selected. Selection of fraction of objects is not allowed. The various feasible solutions for this problem are as shown in this table. First is the serial number, second is the object selected, third is total weights of objects selected, and in the fourth column you are using feasible or not, and the last column says the profit earned. Now first, the bag is empty, no objects are inserted in the bag, and it is feasible with no profit. And in the second serial number, you are inserting the first object into the knapsack, and the weight of the first object is 20, and it is feasible, that is it is less than the maximum weight, and the maximum weight is 40 here, hence for 20 less than 40, and the profit associated with that is 30. So it is feasible. And in the next, you are inserting the second object into the knapsack, and the total weight of the object is 25, and it is feasible, it is less than the total weight of the knapsack, hence it is feasible, and the profit associated with that object is 40. Next, you are adding the third object into the knapsack whose weight is 10 and which is less than 40, hence it is feasible, and profit associated with is 35. Next, you can add 1 and 2 object. If you add the next constraint is, if you add first object and the second object together, the total weight of the objects will be 20 plus 25, that is 45, which is greater than the capacity of the bag, hence it is not feasible. Now if you insert the first and third item into the bag, the weight of the objects is 20 plus 10, 30, which is less than total weight, that is 40, hence it is feasible, and the maximum profit obtained is 65. And at the last, if you add second and third item, the weight will be 25 plus 10, 35, which is less than the maximum capacity of the bag, hence it is feasible, and the profit earned will be 75. And in the last column, you are adding all the 3 objects. If you add all the 3 items, the total weight will be 55, which is not feasible, because the total weight of the maximum capacity of the bag is 40, hence this solution is not feasible. From this combination of objects, 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3 are not feasible, that is 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3. Here you can see 1, 2 because the weight is 45, and 1, 2, 3 last one. If you add, these are considered not feasible. Not feasible because it's exceeding the maximum weight of the knapsack. Weight of the objects exceed the capacity of the knapsack 40, and rest of are all feasible solutions. Out of the feasible solutions, we have to select the subset which leads to the maximum profit, which is in this case is 75, by selecting the object 2 and 3. As this is a optimization problem or greedy method, where you get the optimization, greedy method is a technique to obtain optimization solution. Here the optimization is to obtain maximum profit. The maximum profit can be obtained out of this feasible solution. There can be many feasible solutions, only one optimal solution. Here the optimal solution is 75, that is by adding the weight 2 and 3. This is the optimal solution, and hence we are implementing the greedy method here in the knapsack problem.